over your quads here too. Perfect.
Oh, that felt so good.
That's good. Right over here. A little bit of pressure.